Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make everything bigger on your iPhone. So there's multiple things we can do with this, but we're going to go to display and brightness in your settings, and then you have text size. You can make that bigger. I have an example text message here. Yeah, see, that's all a lot bigger. That's only changing the text. If we go here, everything else on the phone is still the same size it was before. So I could put that text back to normal. Scroll way to the bottom and find display zoom, larger text, and what this actually does is it makes everything on the phone bigger. So as we go in my phone, you can see that's a lot bigger. If we go back to the text, so it's that, but it just made everything on the phone bigger. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys come back for the next one.